Well, in my last video, Summit was over there, but now it's over here. We didn't push it. I drove it there. We managed to have some luck and pulled the starter out, adjusted a couple things, bolted it back up again, managed to get it started once. All it does is grind again. So anyways, there's a few ways to change a flywheel. One involves just separating the transmission from the engine. You know, moving it over a couple inches, unbolting all the axles. That's kind of a pain in the ass. And this being a small 4-cylinder, we've decided to pull the entire engine out. That'll be our first engine pull ever. So we're gonna push it to the garage and start unbolting stuff.
Oh shit! Hurry hard, hurry hard! Get the lawnmower. This. Hey!
Shit, had a little bit of an accident. Summit tackles lawnmower. Time to tackle this thing now. So, here's the piece of shit once again. Some good news. It is a 2.4. So we do have some more power. That's awesome. So, I don't exactly know where to start. I think I'm just gonna start unbolting a bunch of shit. Maybe it'll just come off. I don't know. Engine mounts and stuff. Now I hit this thing. Well, a couple hours later, and after eating supper and whatever, we managed to drain the rad, take off the fancy covering for the manifold, a bunch of stuff in here, and I'd say in a little while we'll probably be ready to pull this thing out. And the only thing is the got a couple heater core lines back there that won't come off, and then we got all the stuff on the serpentine belt that needs to come off, and then a few engine mounts. Oh yeah, and the transmission. Cool. Oh yeah, we got a redneck mosquito fogger. Just blows them out of the way. Works great. And our heater for a tool stand.